Welcome back to the show, guys. Now let's delve right into our Talent on the Rise segment. Let's meet Militancy.
I come from poverty stock. If you make it out, them crown your skin. Bless. Get enough enemy too. No friend was lost along the way. Saturdays are 99, Sundays are funeral. Must get rich. Sad street door.
Money no owner. It have a couple spender. Money at the bank till it tell if surrender. Me love my life, I swear to God me not got dead for. Me want money fi sleep on like a spritzer. So we hustle hard, focus, we never drop regard. Youths go fi where you want, allow the traffic hard. Youths rise from the slow, me see them turn them down. Them buy them guns, send them friend them figure gun them down. Me see the
Millie, Tanseza, youth from the street, humble, jovial, easygoing, cool, and fun to be around. My real name is Case of Scarlet. Militancy given to me by some elders that say I am a militant youth. I always move militant as a soldier, and I'm militant in music as well. I grew up in Garvey Portmore. That's a beautiful community in Portmore. I went to Greater Portmore High School, leave at 9th grade. You know how that part go. And then I go to private school, that's Hutton's Education Unit, where I finished my education. I got involved in music from a tender age. I grew around Iwin, Egyptian, Buju Banton. So I was always a lover of music. Oh, the journey in music, it has its ups, it has it down, but you have to love what you're doing, put in all your energy, your burning desire, and you will be good. And it's okay so far. Music is always a journey, so life is a journey on a whole. Hustle, produced by Sweet Smell Music and Yardi Music, and the thing up now, produced by Sweet Smell Music and Miles Gang. Hustle is a song for the youths in the streets that likes. You have to get up and go for what you want by any means. You have to just be a man, look in the glass, look in the mirror, tell yourself, I am a man, I deserve to have these things honestly. So every youth go hustle.
Work over work. Never give up. Believe in yourself.
Now let's roll out the music video premiere of the week.
Every day on my birthday. Welcome, happy life. Middle fingers high. Tell haters bye. I'm gonna risk it. Enough money, goodbye. Smoke in the breeze. Cold liquor give me brain freeze. Me can't have a bad day. Every day on my birthday. We no show ID. When we step up in a VIP, them know who we be. Life on the party. Every day on my birthday. We no show ID. When we step up in a VIP, them know who we be. The life on the party. Every day on my birthday. Every day on my birthday. Welcome, happy life. Girls from me right and me left side. In a heels and bikini, flirt when they see me doing it all night. 7-star hotel, living up so well. Me can't have a bad day. Every day on my birthday. We no show ID. When we step up in a VIP, them know who we be. Life on the party. Every day on my birthday. We no show ID. When we step up in a VIP, them know who we be. The life on the party. Every day on my birthday. Smiley gonna own it. day of me birthday. We no show ID. When we step up in a VIP, them know who we be. Life of the party. Every day of me birthday. We no show ID. When we step up in a VIP, them know who we be. The life of the party. Every day of me birthday. We no show ID. When we step up in a VIP, them know who we be. Life of the party. We no show ID. When we step up in a VIP, them know who we be. The life of the party. Welcome, happy life. Welcome, happy life.
After the break, it's all about food and this week's E-News. Stay tuned.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we are shell down bars. Blast like a star in some gala bar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We are hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, we no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how good we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big buckle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. Now we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star there. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
As I go through my day, when I work or I play,
there's one thing that I do when I wanna stay cool. Cool on your body any day, anytime. I cool water on the front line. Drop it on the beat, this a I cool time. Tell it to the world, it's a one that I feel reach worldwide.
I cool water helps me stay cool, 'cause I drink cool. I cool water, I cool water, feel like
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.